Hello everyone. So today in this video we will discuss about hermetically sealed compressors. So let's start the video. First of all, we will discuss some introduction about hermetically sealed compressors. When the compressor and motor operate on the same shaft and are enclosed in a common casing, they are known as hermetic sealed compressors. So it means that in the compressor unit of a hermetically sealed type, the motor and compressor are mounted on the same shaft and these are enclosed in a casing. So this is just a rough idea of a hermetically sealed compressors. These compressors may operate on either reciprocating or rotary principles. So hermetic sealed compressors can be reciprocating type and rotary type and may be mounted with the shaft in either the vertical or horizontal position. The shaft may be in horizontal or may be in vertical position as per the requirement. So this is the construction of a hermetically sealed compressor. Let's understand the construction and working of this compressor. First of all, let's see this motor. We have a motor here and this motor is connected to the shaft and this is the crankshaft actually, and crankshaft is connected to the piston. This is your connecting rod and this is your piston and this is your cylinder arrangement, and SV means suction valve, DV means discharge valve, and here is oil sump at the bottom of the compressor. So now what happens, you can see the suction line from the evaporator, the refrigerant from the evaporator which is cool and have low temperature will be entering near the motor and going to the suction valve. You can see from here. So why this refrigerant we are passing very near to the motor? Because after operation for a long time the motor temperature also increases, so this motor get heated up. So to cool down this motor or to absorb the heat of this motor, we pass the refrigerant from the evaporator very near to the motor windings, and then this refrigerant enters into the suction valve and the compression happens with the help of a reciprocating piston, and after compression, when the refrigerant temperature is high, it goes to the discharge valve and then to the discharge line and then to the condenser. The oil is used to lubricate the system, as we can representing here the reciprocating piston. The hermetic units are widely used for small capacity refrigerating systems like domestic refrigerators, home freezers, and window air conditioners. You can easily see this hermetically sealed compressors at your home refrigerators. Hermetic sealed compressors have the following advantages and disadvantages. So let's go through some advantages of this hermetically sealed compressors. So we have first advantage, a big advantage of this compressor is the leakage of the refrigerant is completely prevented. So you know from the construction that the whole system is sealed in a one casing and the motor and compressor are mounted on the same shaft, so there is no leakage in this system. It is less noisy, and the third advantage is it requires small space because of compactness. So as you have seen from the construction, the lubrication is simple as the motor and compressor operate in a sealed space with the lubricating oil. So let's discuss some disadvantages also. The maintenance is not easy because it is sealed inside a casing, so maintenance is not going to be easy because the moving parts are inaccessible. A separate pump is required for evacuation and charging of the refrigerant. We need to have a separate pump for evacuation and charging of the refrigerant. So this completes your hermetically sealed reciprocating compressors. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you very much.